Hi, my name's Paul Fisher. I'm a professor and greenhouse extension specialist at the University of Florida IFAS Extension. And in this video, I'm going to explain how to use our app Daily Light Integral in backpocketgrower.org. The app is designed to calculate the light intensity and photoperiod required to achieve a certain daily light integral for plant growth for an electric light source such as LEDs, light emitting diodes. We have another video that discusses the meaning of light intensity, photoperiod, and daily light integral for plant lighting. In the app, you enter any two of the three items to calculate the third unknown value. For example, enter light intensity and photoperiod to calculate daily light integral. Here is an example of where this app is useful. I have small hydroponic units designed for indoor urban gardening that we're using for experiments. On this system, the photoperiod is set to 14 hours with white, blue, and red LED lights. If I measure the light intensity with a quantum light sensor that measures photosynthetically active radiation or power light from 400 to 700 nanometers, the light intensity increases as I bring my sensor closer to the light fixture. It shows me that I have about 200 micromoles per square meter per second at the base and about 350 as I bring it closer to the top of the plant canopy. I know that 10 moles per square meter per day of daily light integral, or DLI, is the absolute minimum I need to produce fruit on tomatoes, and I'd like to have even more light for good yield and quality. So what daily light integral will I achieve? To use the app, in your browser, first go to backpocketgrower.org and then select Tools. Choose the Daily Light Integral app. I'm going to enter 200 micromoles per square meter per second for light intensity and a photoperiod of 14 hours. Now if I hit Calculate, it tells me that there is a total of 10.08 moles per square meter per day of daily light integral. So I think we should have just enough light for these tomatoes. And as the plants grow up towards the light intensity will increase as they're fruiting, and that will increase the DLI at the top of the canopy. I can also enter any two pieces of information into the tool to get the third unknown. For example, if I wanted to achieve exactly 15 moles per square meter per day with a 14-hour photoperiod, I would need almost 300 micromoles per square meter per second of light intensity. This app is intended for electric lights with constant light level. You can use it if there is only electric light and no sunlight, which we call sole source lighting, or if you are mounting lights in a greenhouse as a supplement to sunlight. We hope you enjoy using the app. Check out this and other apps at backpocketgrower.org under Tools. For more information about lighting, enroll in our Greenhouse Training Online courses, use our app in backpocketgrower.org, and check out an excellent course on lighting offered by Michigan State University. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.